Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So I'm in a different location, can you guess? I'm actually in my bedroom. The lighting here is not bad for the moment. Um, so I've decided to start off my luxury haul in my bedroom. Whether or not we're going to continue due to the lighting is another thing. But I hope you are going to stay tuned to my channel. I think I've got something for everyone here. Something in the middle there from Hermes, that massive bag. Prada in the corner, Lonchamp in that corner, and behind the Lonchamp bag is something from Harrods. So if you want to know what's in those bags, keep on watching. So some of these items were actually unboxed. I did it in a video last week, I believe. But what happened was I had a problem with the video footage. I want to say I'm going to include it, but I might not. So I'm going to start off with the Lonchamp bag just there. So that's the item that I bought from Lonchamp. It was actually wrapped in tissue. They don't actually give you a box or anything like that. And this is actually a special edition item. I thought it was so cute. I think they had like a pouch version of it. And it's really just a coin purse. See whether I can get any information. So it's got Lonchamp 1948. And here also it's got Lonchamp, I believe 1948 there. And it's just really a special edition wallet. And so, whoopsie daisy. So this is what happens when everything's going live. So that's my receipt. So I actually bought this item at Harrods. So it was originally £36. They were doing a 10% weekend a few weeks ago. I got it for in total £32.40 because I got 10% off it. And I think they still have it in stock. I'm sure if you check the Lonchamp website, you'll probably see it. And in addition to the website, if you live in London, you can pop into Harrods or wherever you live in the world. I'm sure you can find this item. So the next item I'm going to show you, I bought in the Harrods. Harrods have their own brand of items. So I bought it also like the Lonchamp item in Harrods, but they have their own little concession and brand of items that they sell to the members of the public. So this is the item here. It's just a really cute novelty item. It's just a bag, a really cute one, but I just thought it was really cute. Something you can just take with you when you're going for lunch with your girlfriends, or you don't want to take too much money. Just you can fit. I'm sure it can fit a wallet, your keys, your travel card, or your car keys, whatever into it. It's really cute and dinky, and I just thought it would be really cute for summer, because in summer, who wants to be lugging bags, right? So I'll just show you what it looks like inside. So it has a Harrods logo. I haven't actually used it. Just there. Still got the plastic on it. It just has one zipper pocket here. That's the strap. I'm not going to undo it. It's got a bag in it to keep the shape, which I probably will keep actually. And it has one zipper pocket here. I'm not sure whether you can see that. It's got a zipper pocket here. There it is. That's a zip, and it's just one big hole. And it's got the Harrods label there. And so the price. So I bought it for. I'm going to show you how much I got off. So I originally bought, it was originally £30. Let's see if you can see that, £30. However, they did a 10%, they reduced it to 20. I got 10% off, and then I had £5. So Harrods have their rewards cards, and I had £5 on it because I'd been spending some money. I tend to go there if I want to buy certain items, and I had a £5 on my card, and I got this item for, I want to say, so £5 off 18, that's £13 I paid for that item. So the next items I bought were from Prada, and only one item in that bag is the items that I actually bought. The other one was a gift from the lady. So I'll just show you what I bought first of all, then I'll show you the gift. So quickly, these are just two perfumes that I bought. I really love this perfume. It's the Iris Prada perfume, sorry. And I normally buy the Credi one. Where is it? What does it say? Iris Credi. It actually says it inside, so you can't actually see. They have two. They have the normal one, and they have the Credi one. I normally buy the Credi one, which is this one. Sorry, that's the perfume. And this is actually the lotion. I beg your pardon. So, got that wrong. And I normally buy them together because I tend to use my perfumes with the lotions. And she so kindly gave me these perfumes. I haven't tried them yet. And she also gave me this. And in addition to those items, she gave me this, it's a toilet bag. And it's from Paco Rabanne. That's it. And also inside this is a eau de parfum, or eau de toilette if I remember rightly, and I really like it. It's really cute. It's got a D-ring on it, really shiny, and yeah, I look forward to using my perfumes and using these items, I guess. So I've just realized I'm at 6 minutes 28 seconds, and I think if I put my Hermes items in the background in this video, it's going to take longer than I anticipated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video right here, and then I'm going to do a separate video, which is I'm going to basically publish them on the same day, but it will be a bonus video which will feature my Hermes products, because I've actually got two. As I said before, I unboxed one of them, but the video was a fail. I'm not sure whether I'm going to include it because I'm not sure how I'm going to edit it, but I will include a video after this one of my Hermes items. And as you can see, it's a big bag, so if you're interested in knowing what's inside that bag, well, look out for my bonus video after this one. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.